Future School Festival is a festival that aims to envision what the future of education looks like. The Future of Food Hackathon aims to bring together young Thai students working together with Singaporean companies and Singapore mentors to build strong, sustainable, food-related solutions between the two countries. We want this to be an opportunity for our young people to engage with each other's cultures and understand what it means to operate in an ever-global world. Future School Festival! Woo!